Do you feel like you just want to give up? Like you want to give in? Sell all of your crypto, walk away from this market, and just not look back? Well, this is how most altcoin holders feel right now. We are seeing another massive liquidation day in the crypto market. Over $400 million and counting so far has been liquidated in the past 24 hours alone. Most altcoin holders have been beaten down to their knees, and they are just laying down on the ground waiting for some miraculous altcoin season to come about. So if you're down right now and you've fallen, I want you to ask yourself the question, why do we fall? We fall so that we can learn to pick ourselves back up. It's not over as long as you got air in your lungs. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Crypto Empire. My name is Connor. In this video, I'll be going over this current crypto sell-off and what you have to look out for next. Let's get into it. So we are seeing another massive liquidation day in the crypto market with $417 million liquidated in the past 24 hours. And most of this is actually just on Ethereum. Ethereum has seen $181.5 million liquidated on the long side in the past 24 hours. And looking at the Ethereum price chart, Ethereum just went below $4,000. It actually came into this one-day hidden order block level, again, just below 4K. This is coming in at $3,970. It is seeing a bounce. It's currently at $4,038. What I would be really looking out for on Ethereum is the daily close today, because there is this key swing low coming in at $4,066. This one right here from August 19th. If Ethereum can actually close above this key swing low, this would be a daily time frame swing failure pattern, and it could mean more upside. I know it might sound crazy, but I have been looking for some type of relief rally here, and we are seeing crazy market maker manipulation right now, and this is why the prices just cannot catch a bid. Looking at what's going on, well, it's very obvious if we just look at the signs and look at the data, what's causing these really big harsh sell-offs coming out of nowhere. I'll give you a hint. This is not retail selling their coins. This is all from the exchanges and the big funds such as Wintermute coordinating together to make these sell-offs happen to liquidate as many traders as possible. This is a tweet coming in from around 23 hours ago saying how yesterday Binance was flooded with stablecoins, and today massive Ethereum inflows came in from Wintermute. So this never happens by accident. As we can see here, massive Ethereum deposits were going into Binance from Wintermute, and this was coming in yesterday. Also with that, Binance was sending massive amounts of Solana to Wintermute. So this was right after receiving huge amounts of Ethereum like we just went over. So it's very clear that Binance and Wintermute are working together right now to manipulate this market. And also, there's been over $10 billion of USDT minted in September alone. It's almost as if the US dollar has an infinite supply. Oh, that's right. It actually does. But yes, $10 billion has been minted in USDT alone in the month of September. What's the plan here? Right, again, this is not retail receiving this $10 billion. This is all going to the exchanges and market makers. What are they looking to do? Well, when it comes to Binance and Wintermute, I'll tell you exactly what they're doing right now. So this is a good tweet that actually summarizes what's going on. So Binance is at it again, this guy says. Rigging the game. So what they do is they funnel their own tokens, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, to Wintermute for calculated dumps or sell-offs, crashing prices to what trigger liquidations. This is why we are seeing, again, another massive liquidation day, $417 million so far. So when your leverage positions get wiped out, that's Binance keeping the liquidation cash, and they are raking in millions while you are left with nothing. So how it all works is Binance dumps via Wintermute, then they buy back the coins cheap. This is likely what is happening on Ethereum right now, which is why I said look for the daily close today. If ETH can actually close above this previous swing low at $4,066, we may be in for some short-term relief up here to around $4,400 to $4,500. Ultimately, I still do think Ethereum will tag the $3,800 level. There is another big one-day hidden order block inside of this big 1 week demand zone, and also there is a 3-day hidden order block at the same level as the 1-day hidden order block. This is all at $3,800 Ethereum. So again, the plan is pretty simple right now. We are looking for some potential short-term relief if Ethereum can actually close above this swing low today. If it closes below, that is a very, very, very bearish sign for the market, and I will be looking out for lower if that is the case. But now moving on, when it comes to Ethereum, Look, big players are accumulating this at a rapid rate. First of all, there's Tom Lee and Bitmine, and they have accumulated over 2% or $2.4 billion of Ethereum, over 2% of the Ethereum supply. But this is a tweet from just 1 hour ago saying how 11 wallets have received 295,000 Ethereum or $1.19 billion from Kraken, Galaxy Digital, BitGo, and FalconX just today. All right, so $1.2 billion of Ethereum has flown out of exchanges and into just 11 wallets today. Clearly, some crazy stuff is going on right now. And I want to go ahead and summarize all of this manipulation with a great tweet from this guy, Mario. And I want to share with you what he is saying. So first of all, he shared the 2-week chart on Tether Dominance USDT. So I want to pull that up and we'll go through his tweet together. So if we look at Tether Dominance on the 2-week time frame, it's pretty crazy how this chart currently looks. It is just straight, sideways, choppy, chop and slop. So Mario does a great job to summarize this manipulative move by the market makers. So he says, on first glance, the last 4 or 5 2-week candles on Tether Dominance shows just how extreme the price action has been. He says this is anything but normal. He says when price action behaves like this, it's designed to inflict maximum damage on both sides. It's the market makers engineering this action, which is exactly what we just went over with Binance and Wintermute. So why are they doing this? They're doing this to inflict max pain on both longs and shorts, as well as to extract liquidity without needing a deeper retracement in the market or a higher retracement on USDT dominance. Because again, guys, USDT dominance is an inverse chart. So when this chart goes down, crypto pumps. When this chart goes up, crypto dumps or it sells off. So by them just engineering this liquidity here in this tight range, they are extracting millions, if not billions of dollars without the need to push this higher, leaving retail just confused on what is to happen next. So Mario goes on to say that this strategy makes sense because it sets the stage for another leg up in the broader market and a corresponding leg down in Tether Dominance. He is saying that this is actually bullish for crypto and for altcoins. So by keeping the range tight at these levels, liquidity is being siphoned from both sides while avoiding any significant drop that might give retail traders discounted entries. This is all just to fake us. This is all just to fake retail out. It's a head fake to leave us confused and just liquidate as much money as possible from retail. So he goes on to say that instead retail liquidity is absorbed here by inducing simultaneous FOMO as well as fear. This is a cycle of liquidation after liquidation, exactly what we've been seeing this week before a potential major upside move in the market and a downside move in Tether Dominance. So he says he doesn't like to rely on patterns, but Tether Dominance is currently resembling a bear flag, which is likely going to lead to a continued breakdown. He says that this is peak manipulation and you rarely see it at this magnitude in other sectors. So yes, the crypto market is the most manipulated market that does exist right now in terms of big global markets with a lot of liquidity, right? $3 trillion market, $3 trillion plus. Some crazy manipulation. And what Mario is essentially saying is that this is a bear flag, right? Which is likely going to lead to another leg down in Tether Dominance. Again, our macro target here is 3.3%. So if this does end up being a bear flag, guys, and we get a breakdown here, all of these sell-offs will be erased in a very short amount of time, and we will see crypto rip to the upside. But we need to take this level by level. It's really too early to tell right now. Again, what we're looking for on Ethereum in order to get bullish, at least for some short-term relief, up to around 4,500, would be a daily close above this previous swing low at $4,066. From there, I likely do think we will tag these levels of supply, probably have one more big liquidation, hit these major levels at 3,800, and then full send up to new all-time highs. Again, the plan is to see Ethereum at $6,000 to $8,000 by the end of the year, and we are about to enter the month of October. Time is ticking. That's the 10th month of the year. We'll see how we do go. But guys, smash the like button, and if you're new here to Crypto Empire, hit the subscribe button. I'll be coming at you every single day to let you know exactly what is happening in this market so that you can avoid these crazy liquidation traps. So in this video, we went over just how manipulated the crypto market is. It's really at the highest degree possible right now. Binance, Wintermute, and other big exchanges and market makers are colluding to liquidate retail, and they are likely going to leave retail extremely confused and send the market higher without tagging key levels on major charts such as USDT dominance. This is why it's so important to stay up to date and be subscribed to Crypto Empire. I'll be coming at you every single day and let you know what is to happen next. So smash that subscribe button, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure you let me know by hitting the like button, and of course turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Guys, stay frosty, keep your head up. It's not over. I do not believe that this is the bear market. I think we have good times to come. We just have to get through this. But anyways, that's all from me today. My name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.